So starting at the top, I've gone ahead and imported a couple of libraries to take user input and generate random numbers. Then we're going to go ahead and define all the functions that are going to be called later in my main function. So starting at the beginning of main, we are going to seed the random number generator using time as the seed. We are going to prompt the user to input the number of students to generate grades for. Then we are going to move on and validate that input and make sure it is between 1 and 50. Then we're going to go ahead and declare a pointer to hold the grade values, and it is initialized as a null pointer. Next, we're going to call our allocate memory function, and this is going to pass this pointer by reference, so the function can assign the values to a new memory block. Then we are going to call our function for generating grades, and that is going to populate that memory with random values between 1 and 100, as you can see here. Then we are going to, after a formatted print statement, we are going to call our function for displaying the grades. This is going to print out all the grades on a single line, and it is going to use a loop to move through the pointer, not index through the array, as you can see here. So after we've displayed all of our grades, we are going to call a function named call with a function pointer to invoke our function calculate average. This is going to pass the address of the average function as an argument inside of another function, treating it almost like a variable. So after we have calculated our average, we are also, after several other print statements, we are going to call our functions for finding the highest value and the lowest value respectively. And again, these are going to scan through the memory using a loop and return the maximum and minimum values. It's not going to index through an array. So finally, now that we have displayed and all the relevant information, the average, all the grades, the highest grade, the lowest grade, we can finally deallocate this memory by calling our deallocate memory function. And this is going to delete that memory and reset the pointer to a null value. And now that we've gone through the process of my main function, we can go ahead and test out some use cases. So we're going to start with just 5 students, and again picks out the highest value, the lowest value, and calculates the average, no problem. So again, now let's try an invalid number of students. So 51, and just like that, it is not going to accept that value, and it is not going to execute the rest of the main function. And yeah, that should be the most of it. Let's check how we're doing on time. Yep, just in time.